Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the charging test of the Poco X3 device using the default charger, 33 watts charger. But this time, this is a different kind of charging test where I'll be playing the YouTube videos continuously while charging the device at same time. So previously, I did a same kind of video while playing the PUBG game. It did not perform well, but I did another charging test as well when the phone is on. It did perform good and it was able to charge within that time 65 minutes. And this time I'll be using the YouTube application, so I'll be trying to play YouTube videos continuously with full brightness. So let's see, starting from 5% of the battery, how much time it actually takes to reach the 100%. In another video, I'll try to do YouTube battery drain as well, starting from 100% to 0%. So make sure to follow me to get that video. And if you want to know more details about the Poco X3 in terms of what wallpapers I'm using in this phone, so try to check that playlist of the Poco X3. You can find so many interesting videos, so many things which you won't even know until you watch those videos, friends. And even if you want this kind of TikTok or live wallpaper, try to check the links in description. And I'll be doing the temperature test as well for every 30 minutes in terms of how is the charging is going on while watching the YouTube videos at full brightness. And I'll be using the Wi-Fi connection because my mobile data is kind of limited, so I cannot use the mobile data. So I'll try to use the Wi-Fi connection with 1080 videos streaming. So earphones will be connected throughout the time. And let me start the test right now. So right now I'm just waiting for the battery percentage to decrease to 5% so that I can start the test starting from 5%. And here I got the clock ready in this TikTok phone here. As you can see, the clock is ready over there. And let me check the temperature reading as well. So just now I did finish the PUBG battery drain test video in this phone. So 30 degrees overall. So try to check that PUBG battery drain test video in case if you want to know more details about the battery draining performance as well while gaming at same time. So let me try to show you the battery percent, how much it is. And I'm just waiting for the battery percentage to decrease to 5. And during this time, let me show you what refresh rate I'm using. I know this doesn't include, but at least I just want to show you that to clarify your doubt what refresh rate I'm using. 60 Hz I'm using in this test. Even though I use the 120 Hz, it doesn't make much difference at the moment. As you can see, friends, the battery percentage dropped to the 5%. And let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch and open the YouTube and play one of my playlist of the Poco X3 device. And I'll be connecting the earphones as well during this time. As you can see, friends, I've selected the quality as well to the 1080p resolution. I'll be watching continuously until the phone gets completely charged. So even I'll selected the full brightness as well. So right now you can see full brightness is continuing. Let me continue these videos aside, and again I'll be back after close to 30 minutes of non-stop charging the Poco X3 phone. So let's see in 30 minutes whether the phone can actually charge close to 50 or not. I think so it should able to charge because right now I'm not doing much gaming as well in the Poco X3 device. So let's see, friends, while watching YouTube in full brightness mode, and I am able to charge this phone or not under that 65 minutes range or not. Let's see will that happen in this phone or not. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes, and make sure to follow me regularly and stay up to date by checking the playlist of the Poco X3 regularly every day. So you'll get to know this kind of interesting and unique videos every day on this Poco X3 device. And again, I'll be back after 30 minutes. So right now you can see, friends, clearly it's been 30 minutes of charging the Poco X3 device using the charger. So let's see while playing the YouTube videos how much the battery got charged. The battery percentage is about 39%. So let me try to open the settings to be more precise here. As you can see here, 39% with the full brightness. I am continuously playing the YouTube videos, as you can see. So let me try to continue the same video test right now with the full brightness. And let us check the temperature reading as well, how much it is. 38 degrees, you can see 39. So overall 39 degrees got recorded on the front side, and back side it's not much, 36. So again I'll be back after 30 more minutes. So let's see in the first 1 hour how much the phone can actually charge while watching YouTube videos with full brightness and charging at same time. You can see, friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of continuously charging the Poco X3 device while watching the YouTube videos. So let me check how much is the battery percentage at the moment here. So let me go to the battery percentage. As you can see, the battery percentage increased to the 58%, as you can see. So now let me try to check the temperature test, how much it is. 36, 38 degrees, 35. As you can see the difference. And now what I will do, I'll try to decrease the brightness to the 50%. So let's see, maybe if you decrease the brightness to 50%, the things might get speed up, I think so. So let me try to do for the next 1 hour with a brightness to the 50% set. So let's see friends whether it makes any sense or not, because for the first 1 hour it charged only I think 53% or like that, if you consider if you minus the starting 5%. So let's see friends, even in the next 1 hour, will it be able to charge complete charge or not by using with the 50% brightness only. And remember this, with the Wi-Fi connection, if you use the mobile data while watching videos, then that would be a different scenario. So again, I'll be back directly once the phone is getting close to the 99%, then I'll directly record the video at that time. So right now friends, time is about 1 hour and 45 minutes, and let me try to show you how much is the battery percentage. The battery percentage is close to 99%, as you can clearly see. So if you use a 50% brightness, then the phone will actually fast charge. That is what I did find out here. So instead of using 100%, if you use the 50%, the phone will actually fast charge. So let me see how much more time it takes for that 1% to charge. And finally it did charge exactly right now, only 1 hour and 45 minutes, as you can see here clearly. So this is how much time it took to charge the Poco X3 device while watching the YouTube videos. So actually if you use 50%, it would have been charged less than this time, I guess. So that is what I found out in this test. So maybe for next time, if you are watching any YouTube videos and charging at same time, make sure to decrease the brightness little bit, so that you will get the more fast charging in this phone. And thank you for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video friends, and make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. Thank you for watching. Bye.